Слушайте.
Вечерний звон, вечерний звон, как много душ.
Hello, my hungry community. As I said, the pickles are crucial for drinking the vodka. You should do this way and you're gonna feel much more better after your party, and you even can go and play your after party. I have today the pickled mushroom, my hungry community. It will help me to swallow my first shot of vodka. Your health, my hungry community. It's salty, it's chewy, and it was a great reason to make those mushrooms. We are making the brew at first because it should chill down to the room temperature. So we have a boiling water here. I will reduce some heat. So for every 200 grams of the water, we add 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. I have here 5 times more, so it will be about 5 tablespoons of salt. $15 bay leaves for this amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 15 of the corn pepper. And we have here 15 leaves of black currant. Boiled it for 5 minutes. Remove the bay leaf and black currant leaves. And let it to chill for room temperature. Now I'm gonna cut the hard part of the mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms are very edible mushrooms, and they don't have anything dangerous, but still I would avoid any mushrooms which have any kind of mold or color change or smell kind of weird. Like any food, it should be avoided. I would explain again what we cut off from the mushroom, because it's important. We are not really cooking the mushrooms, we are pickling them. So this a part of the mushroom would remain hard. So we will cut the soft part of the mushroom for pickling and keep it. And this one we gonna put aside and make sometime soup this week. So once again, I separate all the mushrooms from each other. I cut the heart of the mushroom that I'm gonna keep for pickle, and that I'm gonna put aside. To boil the mushroom, we have to use about 45 grams of the kosher salt for every 2 liters of water. Dissolve the salt in the water. The oyster mushrooms have to be boiled only for 7 minutes, and after that they should be removed.
Кто пойдет на поля за ворота, то обратно вернется опять, словно ищет в потемках кого-то и не может никак отыскать, словно ищет в потемках кого-то и не может никак отыскать.
So everything what left is to pack our mushrooms in sterilized jars and cover it with the brew, and that's about it. Don't forget to wash your hands. I do like to do everything with my hands, but it doesn't mean that it's dirty. You know, I do use my hands because I feel this way better, the textures and everything else, but it doesn't mean that I don't wash my hands. And now we're gonna use our cooled down brew. So my hungry community, it's about the end of the process. You should put your mushrooms in the fridge for 5 days and it will be ready for eating. Russians like to eat this kind of mushrooms when they drink the cold vodka. Also, it's a very enjoyable side dish with the boiled potato. As well, Russians do make mushroom solyanka with 3 type of mushrooms, and those one of those mushrooms. I will explain to you how to make this mushroom solянка in my channel. So if you would like to discover more Russian weird food, please follow me in this channel. Also, you can put thumb up. I will really appreciate it, and I'm gonna be extremely grateful. Bye. What? What? Attention, attention! I would like to repeat, please.
Помни ты